Hey beauties, Courtney here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, never been here before, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below so you can tap in every Friday at noon to see my new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the L'Oreal Colorista Hair Makeup out on my natural hair. I've kind of been itching to try something new, but I've committed to staying away from any permanent colors until I finish growing the permanent color that's already in my hair out. That being said, I'm ready to hop right in, and I'm sure you guys are too, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting out with a fresh wash and go. I actually just did my hair this morning, and that was because I'm hoping that in doing so, it's gonna help my hair stay a little bit more defined where the color's in. The box says that you don't need any gloves, just to apply a dime-sized amount to your fingertips and rub it through your hair, and this is supposed to come out in just one wash. That's what the bottle looks like up close. It's actually a bit smaller than I would have guessed it was, but it's supposed to only be for your tips and strands of your hair, not to color your entire head. If you were to do that, I'm sure you need a couple more bottles than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my little raggedy neck towel here, just in case anything gets on my clothes. And I have a mirror here, so you guys know I'm not just kind of staring off into space. This is just so I can see what I'm doing. Let's get started. Kind of nervous. Okay, so it's about, I would say, dime-sized amount. I don't really know where to start. I'm gonna start with this one here. I think I love it. You see, I don't know, maybe I put a little bit too much, but that's okay because I'm feeling it. It actually smells really good too. I'm kind of surprised at that. It doesn't have like a rough chemical smell. It kind of smells like floral, flowery, I would say. Oh, I love it! I love it! Okay, so I'm gonna keep playing around and do, I think, as much of my hair as I can until I feel satisfied. And then when I finish, let's talk about it. Okay, y'all, so let's talk about it. I love it. I'm very, very happy with how it came out. It's not transferring onto my clothes, which is a really big thing for me when I use temporary hair dyes, and I know I didn't put a lot down here, but this part, especially on this side, still kind of brushes up against my shirt, but there's nothing. There's nothing there. That is huge. That's a big thing for me. My hair still feels pretty soft, and I haven't lost any curl definition, as you guys can pretty much see. Even when I touch it with my hands, it doesn't come off. It's transfer proof. Yes, yes, and yes again. Well, there is a little bit left over here, but I think that's mostly because of me rinsing my hands instead of washing them with soap and water when I was finished. But just the fact that they were covered in that stuff and just rinsing, all of that came off, which is great. That means it is definitely going to come out after one wash, and I love that. I would recommend that you guys do this for sure. I'm definitely going to do it again, probably with some other colors, but I love it. Love it. So we just entered the month of October. Halloween is basically right around the corner. This is a great way to switch up your look if you guys are into dressing up for the holidays. If you are going to go out for the holidays, please have a blast, but be safe. As we know, coronavirus is still definitely a thing. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in the next one.